Hi, this is Jack from Stafford Audi, and today I'd like to present to you this approved used Audi A5 Sportback S-line 35 TDI with the S-tronic gearbox. Now this particular example is finished in the optional Mythos black metallic paintwork to really give this vehicle that standout road appearance. This is also part of the approved used range that does benefit from a minimum of 12 months warranty and 12 months roadside assistance. Now looking at the external features, we do find that this is the S-line trim level, which means it does have the S-line styling such as the front bumper design, rear diffuser and side profile, as well as having the aluminium and silver model designation. Moving towards the front of the vehicle now, we find these fantastic LED headlights, which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Down towards the alloys now, we find these exceptional 19-inch 8.5J 5-spoke designer Cavos design alloys. They do really complement the black paintwork. To the side of this A5 there is also that rear privacy glass, which does keep the rear occupants from view, also protects those valuable items from view as well. Now moving into the rear boot space of the Audi A5 Sportback, where we find up to 480 litres of storage capacity. It's a large amount for a vehicle of this size, and this can easily accommodate 2 larger suitcases and a few additional shopping bags. Now moving into the rear seats, we do find a part leather interior with the additional Dynamica centre. There is also a leather centre armrest, which is fold down for added comfort, and there are Isofix points which are neatly located across the back row to make this A5 Sportback perfect for family usage. Now moving into the front, we do find a very well designed and luxurious cabin with a large amount of plush materials such as leather, Dynamica and aluminium. This being the S-line model, it does mean the vehicle benefits from the two-tone leather seats in which you have the S-line logo, as well as the additional white stitching. Above now we find the virtual cockpit, which is featured with 2 digital rev counters. This screen can also be used to access your satellite navigation, telephone connectivity, radio station and vehicle information. To the centre of the dashboard now we find this impressive MMI touchscreen display, which does allow access to your satellite navigation and Apple CarPlay, as well as Android Auto. Just below this now we find an equally impressive digital dual zone climate control, which is very easily adjustable, and there are heated seat functionalities either side of this for both front passengers. To the screen above once again we find the reversing camera as well as the front and rear sensors, making the vehicle much easier to park in the tighter spaces. So thank you for watching this video of the approved used Audi A5 Sportback, which is now available at Stafford Audi. For more information, please don't hesitate to get in touch with our friendly sales team.